Hello my crafty friends, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I'm doing a short little video to do a flip through of the Polaroid journal cards digital kit that I listed in my Etsy shop, and I will list a link in the description box below of this Etsy link for the kit if you want to check it out. So in yesterday's video, we made this little journal flippy outy thing, and we used the Polaroids. Here I used it as a pocket, and then I made a bunch of journal cards, and you can see that they really look realistic. They even, to me, they feel like Polaroids. I remember Polaroids as a kid, feeling and looking just like that. So I think they turned out really nice. Just something fun to add to your journals, especially for your botanical journal that you're making right now. Here are a couple more that I've cut out and I've just backed with some coffee dyed lined paper. And it's on cardstock. It feels really nice. So I'll just do a quick flip through. So I did a vintage colored one, and then I did a white background colored one, and then I did a black and white of that white background, and then I did a sepia, and then I did a black and white of the sepia. So you should have 5 different versions of each page. So that's one set of 5. And then here's another one. So here's the vintage colored, and the white background color, the sepia of the vintage, the black and white of the sepia. I'm sorry, the black and white of the vintage sepia. And then here is the white background in sepia. And then black and white of the white background. And then the next set is the colored vintage background. And the sepia of that. And then white background sepia. They're kind of out of order here. Here's the white background in color. And then the white background in black and white. And here's the black and white of the vintage background. And then I also included a fussy cut. So you can cut out the stamps and all these little fussy cuts. There's a label. There's also vintage tape. And then some words that you can cut out. And you can place these on your Polaroids. I can kind of give you an example because I didn't get to use it yesterday in yesterday's video, but I'm going to cut this out. So you could put that on there like that. You can cut out some of this vintage tape. Actually, I think I'll use my tear ruler. Use my tear ruler and tear it to kind of look like vintage tape. Like that. Of course, I would ink it up. You can even make it smaller. Like that. You could just fussy cut like, I'm not going to fussy cut it because it'll take me too long, but let's pretend like this is fussy cut. Then you could put like a bee on it. Yeah. So just some fun things that you can play with. So that's the Polaroid digital kit. And then I also wanted to show you my my AliExpress small haul that I just received. So I ordered a couple of these because I don't know about you, but my PC laptop doesn't have enough USB ports. So I got this. It's a really nice, I don't know how long it is. Looks like it's a couple feet, maybe 3 feet long. And it's got 3 ports, and you just plug it in, and then you have more ports. And I need that for my making videos. And then I also got one for my work computer because sometimes I do some extra things out on that while I'm working. So I got 2. And then Rachel of Roxy Creations, she always uses this Chinese screw punch, so I went ahead and I got one from AliExpress, and I hope to be trying it out soon. Maybe I'll do it on video so we can see how it works. And then I got some applique. I thought this would be pretty. I think it's supposed to be a collar, but I'm gonna cut it up into different pieces and use it in my journal covers and things. Could also use it on a journaling card. It's so pretty. And it wasn't expensive, and you get a really big piece that you can cut into a lot of different applique flowers, so I like that. And then I got some more of this, which I love. You know, I use this a lot. So I got some more in this color. Love it. You get a lot of it. Really nice quality. And then I have to say AliExpress really has nice quality applique. And then I got it in this purple. You know I love purple. So yeah, I can't wait to use these. So that's my small little haul. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this short video. I hope you have a great rest of your Sunday, great rest of your weekend. Stay safe and well, and until the next video, bye-bye, friends.